Alright guys, I wanted to go over this screen a little more. I hadn't played with it, and I wanted to. I was right about pretty much everything on this screen. This little scroll bar here, scrolling to left or right, will zoom in or zoom out over here. But you can already zoom in and out on this window from the main screen and from here. Clicking here changes the grid size, bigger or smaller. You know, clicking these on or off selects, you know, the tool. That's all pretty much on point. What I was incorrect about this, I don't know if this is new. I thought it only went to like 120 at most, but I could be wrong. It could have always been 150. But yeah, these go up to 150. I just wanted to make that small correction before I moved on to the File tab here. Okay guys, while recording this video, I found some more little goodies that just don't work in PathPilot. But when any window pops up, if you're not on this background window, you cannot take a screenshot. So if I click this button, it pops up cut, copy, and paste. If that's popped up, just this little pop-up window right here, it will not allow me to take a screenshot. If I click a new folder and bring up the folder, it won't do that. The conversational, edit G-code, none of those will let me take a screenshot of. So we're gonna have to find a way around that later. But all right, let's go ahead and start here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and continue here. If I hit the home button, it basically, this should be pretty self-explanatory. Back takes you back one folder, home takes you all the way back. Load G-code loads the actual file you have selected. Double clicking on it does the same thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit home. Now this is intentionally blacked out. This is, I had a client's name here in this folder, so that's not an error in the program or anything. That's just blanked out. Okay, so so that basically took me back a folder. Took me to the home folder. You can go back or hit home if you're multiple folders deep. So I just wanted to show that real quick. We're going to go ahead and go back into 516 folder. All right, in here, like I was saying, these menus don't work, but if you click here, you can copy, and then you can click on it again and paste. You can also click new folder. That will create a pop-up that comes up and asks you if you want to, what you want the folder name to be. Once you hit OK, the folder name will appear. I took screenshots of all that, but they're not here. This is it popping up afterwards, after you set it. Let's see here, new folder does that. Rename a file basically brings up a pop-up. You type in the file name, renames it, pretty simple stuff. Deleting it will delete the file or folder. And here is the copy and paste. Before you couldn't copy and paste. Unfortunately, like I said, you can't see it. But if you click here, there's a copy button, and you click again, there's a paste button. That's super nice to have. It automatically renames it to copy, which is fine. But it's super nice to have instead of doing the little copy to the USB drive, rename, copy back thing that you had to do before. These buttons work exactly the same on here. Conversationally edit will bring up the conversational edit screen. I can't show you on here. I'm going to have to grab a screenshot or something. I've shown it before in other videos. So edit G-code will just bring up a text editor that allows you to edit the G-code like that. Highlighting something and hitting delete will remove it. Alright. I don't know. Stupid screenshots here. Like I said, they had really horrible. It was really horrible before. You couldn't copy and paste or do anything. It's way better now. It's still cumbersome a little bit, but like I said, right clicking in here won't let you just copy and paste. It gives you some other options. Okay guys, well that pretty much sums up this video. If you want to see the rest of the series, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified. Appreciate any comments or questions you have. I'll do a video on anything specifically anybody asks about. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.